Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to explain to you the different options that you have for how many screens that you can view at the same time with your Hulu subscription. So essentially, if you just have the base Hulu package or the Hulu with no ads or Hulu with live TV, then you should be able to stream on two different screens at the same time. Now, there is an additional option here for those individuals that have Hulu with live TV, and there's an unlimited screen add-on. So I want to walk you through the fine print of that. So if you do have Hulu with live TV and you purchase the unlimited screens add-on, which is $9.99 a month, then you'll be able to stream on as many devices as you want that are connected to your home internet network. The fine print to this is if you're away from your home internet network, so on a mobile device, for instance, then you'll get up to 3 separate mobile device streams at once. And then also, if you have this unlimited streams plan with your live TV subscription through Hulu, and then you also happen to have premium add-ons such as HBO, Cinemax, Stars, or Showtime, then there is a limit put on these to 5 total screens on your home network, and again, 3 of which can be out of the home mobile devices at the same time. So I hope this information is helpful, and I'll also post these 2 links right at the top of the video description so you can check out all that information for yourself. Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate you guys watching. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I hope to see you back here for future videos.